Sitting in lane 0 is Castola versus Paul Paul of the Harpers. Later on, it's going to be hiding these are 17. In number 2, Lee Havoc of the Ayala Harpers Swim Club. In number 3, Tondo Lee Jasmine of Ayala Harpers Swim Club. Lane 4, Correndo Lee Abigail of Ayala Harpers Swim Club. Lane number 5, Bertigera Trixie of Ayala Harpers Swim Club. Lane 6, Usman Daniel Anderson of Bagunawa Swim Club. Lane 7, Sarmiento Bianca Eliza of Ayala Harpers Swim Club. Lane 8, Bustos Rose of Ayala Harpers. And C, Christian Yuan of Lakas Allen Swim Team. We'd like to inform you that there was a disqualification on event number 12, hit 1, lane number 5. Calling attention of the following swimmers, Macpali, Romel, Clarence,
Nakita yung sa 5.
Villanova, Luis Mateo of Celebrity Rapids. Likewise, Junaire and Damien Selwick of Butterfly Swim Team, and Lacanlala Kian Zain of FBSS Warriors. Can you proceed to the renovation? Thank you.
Mali binibidyo. Ay ko ba't nahuli? Mali pala yung binibidyo. Walang iya. Wala na ata siyang kaedad dyan eh.
Ibang age bracket. Lalaki.
Mm. 13.
Calling the attention of the swimmer Tan Mark Harley of Ayala Harpers Swim Club. Can you proceed to the ready bench now? Tan Mark Harley to the ready bench, please.